Day 4 was going to be a long day. That's why we are making two videos. The first video you have already seen up to Stirling Town. Now from Stirling Town, our first stop was going to be Falkirk Wheel. Falkirk Wheel is an engineering marvel where they lift the boat about 35 feet from lower canal to upper canal with expenditure of only 1.5 kilowatt electricity. That is the marvel. So this wheel rotates in such a way that at any given point the weight on both sides is equal. So the only energy consumed is overcoming the friction. Here you can see the boat moving into the lower pan. You can see the wheels moving now. I have put it at 4 times the speed. That is why you see people moving very fast. But you can see the pans now rotating at the back. And the upper boat is going down and the boat at the bottom is going up gradually. So this is how the boat from lower canal goes to upper canal. And since the weight in both pans is equal, the energy consumed is very less. See, this boat has come down now, and the boat at the bottom has gone up. I hope you understood the concept. From here, we are moving to Edinbrough, where we are visiting a plant for making Scotch whisky, which everybody is very fond of, as you can see from the eagerness of the entire group. No one was very interested in understanding the process, which is all about fermentation and distillation. So it was chemical engineering. Of course, I had read all this in college. These containers, these boilers and condensers. But anyway, everybody was eagerly looking forward to tasting whiskey.
Our first whiskey was released in 2023. It was very tasty, guys, called Arrival, but also very sold out. So you won't be able to taste it today. But if you want to taste our whiskey, we've got another one for you called the Amber. I'll tell you all about it later, but it's very tasty as well. So guys,
after her long mandatory lecture, we moved to the tasting room, the scene of action.
what do you mean
by single malt and double malt?
I'll tell you all about the rules in a second, absolutely. So basically,
this is what we were waiting for, whiskey tasting, even though they give only 15 ml taste. And as they say, the proof of pudding is in eating or wine tasting. From the distillery, our next stop was the Royal Mile at the city centre of Edinburgh, where they were having Fringe Festival. Now let's go and see there. People from all over Europe or all over the world, they say, collect here for this festival, which I don't think was looking very great right now. Maybe at night it might be having more color and light to it. It was a mile-long street carnival. People were dancing, singing, performing. And now we had to move to our last activity, that is to go and see the Forth Bridge, This is the first bridge of large span ever built. It was in 1880s or thereabouts. It was considered a marvel at that time. That brings close to the fourth day, and tomorrow our journey begins from Edinburgh to London. See you in our next video. Goodbye. Please like, share and comment.